TransNet is a public transit company providing community transportation throughout Montgomery County. We provide a quality service for all of the residents of our county and our communities.
The Eastern Pennsylvania Alliance for Clean Transportation. We are a Department of Energy sponsored organization that helps promote alternative fuels within the transportation sector. TransNet had kind of an unusual case. We analyzed their data, how much they traveled, how much fuel they used, what their routes were, and then we selected through a calculation tool that we have what would be the best alternative fuel for gasoline or diesel for them. In this case, it happened to be propane.
To have our own fueling infrastructure for the propane vehicles, that made it a win-win.
When we're choosing new vehicles, we're looking for sustainability, number one. It's very important to our company.
Propane gives us the alternative of clean energy. At the same point in time, it's roughly about the same miles per gallon per vehicle, and the maintenance costs for propane and gasoline are about the same.
It's commonly known that alternative fuels exist. However, there's not a lot of experience with end users. So the training portion is we obviously pitch safety. It's one of the highest priorities with the station, with the vehicles itself.
Our cost for maintaining the bus is the exact same as if it would be fuel, but now we're running with a cleaner fuel.
These vehicles that you see are subject to a pretty arduous test. It's called Altoona testing, and it's done at Penn State or in conjunction with Penn State. And it puts them through a replicated duty cycle of a lifetime of a bus in this application. So it ensures that the vehicle is built properly, soundly, it's reliable, so that when it gets thrown into service, all the systems, including the fuel system, operates properly.
Transportation agencies like TransNet benefit from this because they have to use a vehicle that's a little bit larger and a little bit heavier, and they go very long distances. So they need something that's going to be able to accommodate that range, and propane does that.
We want to make an environmental impact. We want to do this job, but do as environmentally responsibly as possible.
Driving them is no different than the other buses that we have. It's obviously better for the environment.
We're able to come in and surprisingly be able to do it at a cost that's less than what they're doing on conventional fuels, but exceeding their sustainability goals.
I think TransNet does a great job of communication amongst all their partners and operators. They share information really well, and they really push the envelope in terms of alternative fuels, exploring what the possibilities are. You know, they're looking to bring, I think, the best experience and reduce their footprint in the communities they operate in, also with the clients that they serve. So alternative fuels has been something that they've done before, and they continue to push forward, and they're really paving the way for propane-powered vehicles in the state of Pennsylvania.